Trust me guys, I made this money guys just by referring guys, just by referring 4 people. I made this kind of money guys on my PayPal account guys. Guys, 1.50 USD dollar guys, just by referring to your friends guys. That's a lot guys. $1.50 just by referring guys. Just by referring, get 1.50 guys. I know that you're thinking like, this is not legit guys. It's legit. Watch this video until the end so that you won't miss any step that I'm gonna show you, so that you start earning this cash. I'm gonna give you a bonus at the end of this video. Watch this video until the end to see a magic guys. So first of all guys, thank you for the 600 subscribers guys. Thank you, I appreciate. Thank you guys. I love you guys. For them that I'm so happy guys. So thank you guys. So what I'm going to do now, I'm gonna go to this one. The name of the app guys is Timebucks guys. It's Timebucks guys. Timebucks. So you're gonna register an account, because I already have an account and I want to go through with you registering process. So I'm gonna go to this app guys. Timebucks, as you can see, I have $1 there. Reward 25 and sweepstakes entries. So you're gonna register on this one and complete. You're going to complete everything here guys. Complete, just click. They will show you what to do guys. Basically they're going to show you what to do. It's easy, like ABCD. Just going to click and do that, but it's not a must for you to do that. So as I told you guys that we're not going to focus on surveys guys on this video. We're not going to focus on surveys guys. We're going to focus on referrals guys. So what you need to do after landing here guys, gonna click here guys. But let me show you so that you'll see what I'm talking about. Gonna click here. After clicking here guys, gonna come this side where they say not earnings, where they say referral earnings guys. I'll click here. Okay, as you can see, we're here, and then we need to copy guys. Copy our link. This one is our referral link guys. This is our referral link. I'll click copy. I think we have copied it, and after that I'm gonna show you a magic guys. I'm gonna come to your Facebook account, and using web, let me say apps, because it's even an app. Come on, you're gonna join all the groups guys here. Gonna join all the groups here. So you're gonna join a lot of groups here guys, so that you're going to post and you can get a lot of people just by doing that. So you're gonna click on groups. Gonna join all the groups. How to make money from home, how to make money. Join all the groups guys, so that you will post each and every day to make this extra cash. But for the purpose of the video, I'm gonna come here. Just wanna, as you can see, a lot of people are doing this and they're making a lot of money. They're posting on this group, We're just talking about Okay guys, I just wanna share with you this amazing app that pays $1 one USD per sign up. So then you're gonna put your link here. Okay, like I say click the link to get your $1 free, and then gonna paste the link here. After pasting the link, you are good to go. You're gonna paste the link and say done, post. Okay, as you can see, your post is here, guys. This is your post. Hey guys, I just want to share with you this amazing app that pays $1 USD per sign up. Just by doing that, guys, a lot of people will come here and register, and when they register, you get a bonus, guys. You get a bonus. Do it like that, guys. That's how you're going to earn. Like, don't maybe put one, post a lot of posts in different groups, so that will increase your chances of earning on this one, guys. So guys, thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to like this video and share to your friends. Don't forget to even subscribe, guys. I'll see you on the next video, guys. I love you all, guys. See you on the next video.